Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Swanchal if you're new to this channel, and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. With that, hit the bell icon to never miss out any of my updates. So in today's video, I'll be showing you some dresses which are from H&M and Vero Moda. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first dress that I ordered, it is from H&M in the size 12. It is a black color floral play suit. It has nice white and pink floral print in it, and it has adjustable straps, viscose material and elasticated seam at the waist, and also has side pockets so you can keep your stuff easily, and it is very nice, very comfortable. It is short, so only if you're comfortable wearing short clothes, only then do you order. Otherwise everything is perfect about this play suit, and I just love it. Love the fit, love everything about this, love the material, and you can even adjust the straps, so no issues in the dress, and everything is just perfect. So the first one is this one. So the second dress that I ordered is again from H&M, which is in the size 40. It is this multicolored crop jumpsuit, and it is in the woven fabric which has slight sheen in it, and it is cropped 3/4 leg size, and it is a V-neck both front and back with a concealed zip. It has narrow shoulder straps and a wrap over front with soft draping at the top, seam at the waist with pleats and a detachable tie belt, a concealed zip at the back, side pockets so you can keep your stuff. And the material is nice. It is polyester, very comfortable for summers, and you don't need to iron it again and again. See, this is how it looks like. So yeah, definitely should go for this one. I love the material. It is very lightweight. So the second one is this. The third dress that I ordered is again from H&M in the size 12. It is this nice white and navy blue printed short dress. It is an off-shoulder dress, and it has elastication at the top, a smock borders and short sleeves, lightweight, 100% viscose. So if you want to go out for brunch, it is a perfect wear. So if you want, you can go for this one, and the color is just awesome. It is a very nice and lightweight dress. So yeah, third one is this. So the fourth dress that I ordered is again from H&M in the size 14. It is just like the white one but different pattern. So this is the dress that I ordered. It is same as the white one, but the size is different. The white one was 12 and this one is 14. So it is a black color off-shoulder dress with red floral print. The flowers on the dress, they look so beautiful and vibrant. Just like the white dress, it has elastication at the top, a smock borders and short sleeves. The material is viscose, and it's a very nice and floral dress. So yeah, if you want, you can go for this one. So the next dress that I ordered is from Vero Moda. It is in the size large, but it is a bit loose to me. It is a bluish and purplish dress with floral print. It is a flared dress. It has a round neck, sleeveless, and the material is polyester. It is very comfortable, very nice flowy dress. Otherwise the material is polyester, very comfortable for summers. So yeah, I just love this one as well. Last dress that I ordered is again from Vero Moda. It is a t-shirt dress, A-line dress, which is greyish whitish color, and it has short sleeves, round neck, a concealed zip at the back, and the material is very nice, very comfortable. Pair it with white casual shoes and you're all set to go. This is in the size large, but I would prefer you to go for one size small, that is medium, if you have a body structure like me, because it is a bit loose. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this. It is very comfortable. If you are like not into flare dresses or floral dresses, you can go for this one. This is just a perfect buy for you. So this is it guys, this is all for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down and let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, see you, bye guys.